Good afternoon, students. Today we see the advanced science in new chapter, structural organization of animals. Okay, the variety of the nature and habits of the animals is the biosphere are quite amazing. So we should around us just a few, but there are numerical species living in the world that you know that is we recall here is a kingdom Animalia. So there are two groups, invertebrates and chordates. So the diversity in the habit, structure, organization, mode of reproduction between the animal existing in earth. In this chapter we can understand the structure of and morphology and anatomy of invertebrates. Invertebrates example is leech and vertebrates example is rabbit. So in these two animals we can see the morphological and anatomical structure and anatomy we can study. Okay, the scientific name of the Indian cattle leech is Hirudinaria granulosa. What is that? Hirudinaria granulosa, which belong to the which phylum? Annelida, because it's a ring like that, no structure. So it is the earthworm like that. Okay, although earthworm also Annelida phylum, it also Annelida. Okay, Annelida are metamorphically segmented worms. Okay, what is that? Segmented worm. It will develop the organ system. The scientific name of the common rabbit is Arcatala cuniculus. So it is a phylum chordate. Class Mammalia. Mammalia occupy the highest group in the animal kingdom. So advancement over the other group of animals, they are warm-blooded animals. What is that? Warm-blooded animals. It is a hair body is where cover the hair. So it is a female is most future of the mammals. Let us know the morphology of the leech and rabbit in detail. First we will see the leech. What is that Indian cattle leech? Hirudinaria granulosa. So what is the phylum of Hirudinaria? Annelida. Class Hirudinaria. Order Anthophlideba. Genus Hirudinaria. Species Granulosa. What is the habit of this leech? So it is only found in where? Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. What is the where it is a living place? Freshwater, pond, lakes, swamps and slow streams. Okay, and they are the what is that? Ectoparasitic. It is ecto outside only it will be see. Endona inside. Ecto means outer, parasitic. So that is a live in another host only. So it is a blood feces. What is that? It will be suck the flood and eat. Where is present? Frog, cattle and human. So it will be suck the flood only. So sucking blood, no. So its name is Sagnivorous. Okay, Sagnivorous. So external morphology, shape and size. It's a very soft body, vermiform, elongated, segmented, ribbon shaped. What shaped? Ribbon shaped. It is almost what is the cylindrical shape, and it is the length. How much? Na 35 centimeter is the length. Okay. What is the colorization? Is the olive green. Okay. Dorsal surface olive green. Ventral surface orange. Yellow, orange and red in color. So metamorphism, segmentation is there. Metamerism is the segment of the body. So how many segment is there? 33 segment. How it is arranged? Once again begin a line. Okay, it is a line orderly. It will be arranged that. So it is a subdivided in the annuli. Okay. So clitellum is formed the segments which are present the 9th to 11th. So you can calculate the 33 segment. How many segment is there? 33 segment is there. But it is a growth length. How length is 35 centimeter. Don't confuse these two. Okay. So it is the which is main the reproduce the cocoon during the breeding session. So receptors. The dorsal side there are 5 pairs of the eyes. So each segment bears the number of sensory projectors called receptors. Annual receptors are located in each annulus and segment receptors are located in the first annulus of each segmented. So see, this is the picture of leech, external morphology of leech. So how there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segment arranged in the first picture. So anus is down coming. So nephrodidis is there, male genital for female genital for both is present in same side only. Same animal only, leech only, mouth is there. Okay. So what is the sucker? I already told it is sucking the blood. That is only main food for this leech. Leech has two suckers is there. Okay. One is the anterior sucker and that is another name is oral sucker. Anterior sucker, what is the another name? Oral sucker. The posterior end form the fusion of the last 7 segmented. Okay, so it will be help for the attachment. External appenage mouth. So middle of the anterior sucker. Anus, it is the 26th segment. It present in that. It is a very small pore. Nephrodis pore, it is open to the extent of 70% of the nephros. Okay, 6 to 12 segment it will be present. So genital pore, second and the third annulus of the 10th segment. So where is that? Mid. Okay, female genital pore, it is between the second and third of the 11th segment. This is the arrangement. Division of the body. Cephalic, preclital, clitorala, middle region, cardola region and posterior suckers. Okay, so segment, which segment and all? These region present in that. Next, body wall. There are cuticle, outermost layer, epidermis, cuticle. After that, cuticle present in it, that is epidermis. Dermis inside, and after that, muscular layer, and after that, body tissue. So this is the body wall arrangement. Locomotion. What is the locomotion? There are two types of locomotion. This is the important question, big question, detailed question. Okay, craveling and swimming. What is that? Craveling and swimming. Looping or craveling segment. So brought about the contracting and relaxation muscles. So attachment during the movement of the substance. Swimming movement, Leech swim very active and perform that. Okay. Next important, digestive system. Alimentary canal and a digestive canal. What is the alimentary canal? It's a straight tube. It starts from the mouth into triater aperture. Okay, it is a small buccal cavity. Okay, it is a small buccal cavity. So the wall of the buccal cavity bears the three jaws with a single row of minute teeth. The jaws are provided with the papilla. Okay, the buccal cavity into muscular pharynx is surrounded by the salivary gland. The secretion of the salivary is hirudine. What is that? Hirudine present in that only the name is hirudine area. Okay, saliva contain hirudine. Then only it will be suck and suck the blood and store into that, because the blood is a fluid, no? So it is a pharynx lead into the crop throat the short of the narrow esophagus. So crop in the alimentary canal divided into the series of 10 chamber. So sphincter is present, so gap. Okay, sphincter, so gap. So background directly cecum is present in that, and this is ceca or diverticulum chamber. So it is stored blood which can be slowly digested. First it will be suck all the blood and store in that. After that only it will be digested. The last chamber of the crop open into the stomach. So it is a small tip that open in the rectum. The rectum open into the exterior of the anus. Okay, next class we will see the next feeding. Okay.